So I finally got the document for which I was waiting for 4 months till I came here. I came here on March 15 and then now it's July 17 today and I got the documents which proves that all the documents are verified, everything is done. I will just have to wait 1 month more to get my card, which is like a residence card of Malta, which is called TRC card, temporary residence card. So because of that, I was in a lot of stress and lot of uncertainty. Like it's not like my documents were not cleared or nothing like that, but the thing is that these things takes time. So I was staying in another location and then I changed my document. For that also this took time, and you have to give a lot of documents. So even if you give everything proper, the smallest mistake also they will not give you your document, give you your TRC until you solve that issue. So these things takes time. So if you submit your application and then small thing comes out, for that thing to solve it takes more than 2 3 weeks or maybe sometime a month. So because of that, there were so many delays in the videos. But now as I have already got the document that I was looking for, so you will get regular videos, I hope, from now on. So today's topic is that I want to talk about VFS. How was the experience? How things goes after applying? What things you need to do and all these things. Before that, I want to tell that I'm in Malta. It's been 4 months, but why I'm making videos of the old topics and all? Because I want to make this channel a simple streamline of information anyone can follow the process that I have followed. Maybe if something updates, then I will make a new video, but that will be a video from where you can start from India. One by one, you will have all the videos related to coming to Malta or anywhere in Europe. Most of the processes are same, only some processes which are country specific processes that might be different, but most of the processes are same. So it will help you a lot in your journey if you are thinking of coming to Europe for studies or job, anything. So let's talk about VFS. VFS is the organization or the company which operates in India for all the visa requirements for your uh, abroad journey. So for VFS, first of all, after you get your offer letter from the college themselves book your VFS appointment. So once you get your VFS appointment, not the appointment application, then if you are applying from an agency, they will prepare your file and then they will digitally submit that file to VFS. Once the file is verified, everything they check, and if there is everything is all right, then you get an invitation from the VFS to book your biometric date. When booking for the biometric date, you can choose your preferred date and time, and then you have to go to your nearest VFS office. Once when you go to your VFS office, you have to carry all of your original documents, and you have to show them your all original documents, and then there will be some interviews. In interviews, if you are applying for your student visa, then your college, from someone from the uh, visa office who handles the student visa processes, they will come on the video call. First of all, your video call will be done, and in the video call they will ask you certain questions like about you, why you have chosen this specific country, and all these questions related to you. They might ask you something different also, like some people they ask about the city that they come from, what is special in that city, and why they have chosen this specific course, and all these questions. Once they think that you are like you know what you are doing, some people, why these questionnaires are there is that some people just make the profile good, but they are not practical, they don't have much practical knowledge and all these things. So what your profile, your document says, are you the right person who is giving these files and all? Just to know all these things, there is this questionnaires. So after this is done, you have to wait for some time, and then they will take your picture, your fingerprints, and your biometric is done. Once your biometrics is done, you can go home, and you have to wait for some time. And while when you go for your biometric, you give your original passport to them, passport to the VFS office. Then they will keep this document to them, and in Delhi there are embassy of every countries. So your passport will go to that office, and from there they will stamp your passport with their visa, sticker visa, and then they will give it back to VFS, and then VFS will ship it to you. Either you can choose to ship it to your address, which adds an additional cost. For me, it was 650 rupees for the delivery. And if you are nearby to your VFS office, you can directly collect it from the VFS office. Once you get the visa and everything, then you can come abroad, study or work, whatever you want to do. And there are some hidden fees and all these things in VFS also. About that also I wanted to talk about in this channel. So when you go for your VFS, your visa processing, then there they might ask you for if you want premium service, fast track service and all these things. This thing doesn't matter a lot for your visa processing. It's just a thing that you will stay in a separate office. There you will have a better seat than the normal one. There you will have a sofa, and you have some extra, maybe they might call you earlier than other people and all these things. So this is a big cost that you can save if you opt not to take the premium charges. And then for photographs and all, you can print out proper sized photograph from outside, because inside VFS there is a VFS office and there is a photocopy shop which charges a lot of money for photocopy and your passport size pictures and all. And third thing that I wanted to say is that for form filling and some other things also, they might charge you money. So be aware of that. Do your research properly, and you can uh, get to know all about other things also from this channel. And there are some other things also. There you will find people who will ask you for insurance. They might ask you for neo global card and all these things. If the neo global card is not a scam or something, you will need it here. Once you come here, you have to withdraw your cash that is there in your bank account, and if you directly withdraw from your bank account, that will add up a lot of cost. So for that thing also, I'll make a separate video, and how to do your financial thing properly, so that you don't face any problems here. I will talk about SIM card, I will talk about everything in the next video. That also I'll record today. So this was all about VFS. You can ask me any question in the comment if you have any other queries about VFS and all. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much, and like, subscribe and comment if you wanna know anything. Thank you.